Alright, here we are. We all got it all set up. Put her into the incubator, all set to go. Got it set to, I believe it was 88 inside here. Doing a little babysitting for our friend's clutch up here, which he decided he was going to cut last night. We'll have to throw a link in to the comments so you can go check him out. He's Drew from Queen City Constrictors. That's good. Pop these in here real quick. Got a little thermometer and humidity gauge. It'll take a little bit to catch up, especially since my vermiculite wasn't up to temperature, but we'll see this one again in about 60 days, hopefully sooner. We'll see something starting to pip. Wish me luck.